back to my channel. Today we are going to be putting together some Valentine's Day snack trays. These are for when the kids come home from school or if your kids just need a snack throughout the day. I just wanted to give you a few ideas. You can make smaller ones like I did, or you can of course make them bigger. You can substitute with different fruits and vegetables. And also I use like gluten-free tortillas for Braylee, so you can definitely substitute different things out for each of these items, but I just wanted to give you a fun idea. I can't wait for my kids to see these. I think they're going to love them. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through what I did, and then you can put them together however you want. So let's get started. This first one is my very favorite. I think it's so cute. I love all of them, but this one was my favorite. We're going to start with this little sandwich, and like I mentioned before, you can use any bread, any meat. You can do peanut butter and jelly, whatever your kids like. But I just used a heart cookie cutter, and the one that I got is from Hobby Lobby, and it came with a set of 3. So I used all 3 and cut out a big one, a medium one, and a few small hearts. And then I just did the same thing with a slice of cheese. I used the medium-sized cookie cutter and cut out a few hearts. And then I just took a carrot, cut it in half on a diagonal. I just put the carrot together to create a heart shape, stuck a toothpick through, and made these cute little carrot hearts. I think my kids are going to be really excited about these little yogurt bites. I just had a heart silicone tray, and I filled it full of yogurt, and then I topped it with some of their favorite fruits. I used strawberries, blueberries, and kiwis. And then just for fun, I added a few sprinkles to some of them too. Then put them in the freezer. They do take a little while to freeze. I suggest letting them freeze for about 4 hours or overnight. Okay, for our second one, we are doing some heart quesadillas. Like I mentioned, I use gluten-free tortillas for Braylee, so you can definitely substitute out whatever you need. And I just use a cookie cutter to cut them into heart shapes. Then I cut up some cantaloupe and watermelon and use my medium-sized heart cookie cutter to cut them out into heart shapes. And when I do kebabs, I like to use sucker sticks so that they're not pointy on the end for your little kids. So I just slid them onto this little sucker stick and made cute heart kebabs. You could also do like a little side of Nutella or a little side of yogurt if you want to do that too, so that your kids can dip it. The last thing on this tray are these pretzel treats that everyone loves. I just lined a cookie sheet with pretzels and put a Rolo on top. I put them in the oven on 200 for about 3 minutes, and I pulled them out, and while they're still warm, just push a little conversation heart into them. Super easy and delicious. That's it for number 2. For this last tray, I made a pizza bagel. Gage saw this already and he's so excited, so I know that this is definitely going to be a hit. I just took the pepperonis and I cut them out into heart shapes. And then I just took a regular bagel, put some pizza sauce on it, some mozzarella cheese, and then just put those cute heart pepperonis on. I put it in the oven on broil for literally like 1 minute. They cook so fast, so this is super fast and easy, and I'm sure every child is going to love it. I did another fruit kebab using strawberries and bananas, and I just took the strawberry and cut a triangle out of the top, and it makes a heart shape. And then I just slid that onto the sucker stick, a strawberry, then banana, and then another strawberry, and that's it. And again, you could serve this fruit kebab with a side of Nutella or yogurt. And then the last thing I did was took a cucumber, I peeled it, and then took the medium-sized cookie cutter and just cut out a heart shape. And I was only planning on using the inside, but I think that the outside is so cute. So I'm serving both, and I think that they're going to love those. My kids really love cucumbers, and of course you could serve that with a side of ranch. Alright you guys, that is it for my Valentine's Day snack trays. If you guys like this video and would like to see more, please let me know down in the comments below. I think it's so fun to have a snack available for your kids when they get home from school. And this is something that I really wanted to share with you guys, just some different ideas and things to prepare for them so that it's ready when they get home. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you could also fill up a big snack tray, leave it out for when the kids get home from school. They can munch on it until dinner. My kids get home at different times, so it's a little bit easier just to do individual snack trays. So let me know if you try these. Let me know what you guys like to do. I would love to see pictures on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.